welcome back to the webcode camp. So in this vuejs series, I'm your instructor. My name is Mashuk from webcode camp. Okay guys, so let's start the topics without wasting of time. So at first let me discuss make a child component. So in this tutorial I will discuss about make a child component, so called a function on button click, and omit event from function, and call parent component function with event emitter text. Okay, so at first let me discuss about the what is props. Okay, so this is the basically sent from props child to parent tutorial, like that style. Send props to child, child to parent. Okay guys, so this is our tutorial topics, like that send props to child to parent. Okay, so at first let me discuss what is props. Okay, so this tutorial will be like that, basically theoretical, and in the next tutorial where just I'll show to you the practically of with code. I'll show to you with the example with coding. Okay, so let's start the what is props exactly. So props is a special keyword which is stand for properties. Okay, so it can be registered to the component to pass data from a parent component to one of its children components. That's mean basically in the previous video already I told this about this parent or child component, but this is a lot of easier compared to the using state management libraries like vuejs from vuejs application. So this is the basically app.vue. This is my parent component. This is the another component folder inside of this component. Then it will be like that child component, this of f.view component. Okay, so this is the basically props. Actually props is a special keyword which stands for properties. Okay, so this is the tutorial. I will finish this now. Okay, so if you like this tutorial, obviously subscribe my YouTube channel. See you soon in the next tutorial. Okay, stay tuned. Webcode camp.